Hi guys, hope everyone doing good. Let's get started with this weekly video. Outlook on forex market. Let's see how each and every pair is doing and our trades up next week. Upcoming trades up next week. Let's start with gold, guys. Let's start with gold. So straightforward into the chart. We got one touch here, two touch, three touch, four touch, simple sell information. You can see I'm expecting exactly this movement. And keep in mind this is called 90% probability. It does not mean it's gonna be happen like 100%. There is nothing 100% in trading, as you know. So if it breaks, we are ready to take the buy stop. Around here I already sent this setup and signal where you need to put the buy stop, right? So in case it breaks, we're gonna eat on the buy movement. You can clearly see the take profit gonna be around here, the week, this week TP1, this week TP2, and this week TP3. End of the trend line, game over. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So in case price breaks it, in case it breaks this trend line, then we can move like this. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So just like that, if we get the breakout, this is the gold situation, guys, and we have positions. As you can see, my live account here in forex time. Look at that. English, we are running 1.2% loss right now. Keep in mind, I already made like profit of look 485 USD profit. Basically 512 and 513 USD, but they took me some commission. So at the end, 485 USD profit we are right now on this live account, $10,000. This is my personal account. Anyways, let's jump into USD SAR, guys. Remember USD SAR sell. I took this sell. We are running right now. How much it is? It's like I don't know, maybe 70 pips to 80 pips, something like that. So I took the sell from here. It's nice beginning. It's nice start, but at the end I'm expecting a big ass drop. Like TP1 around here, TP2 around here. This support and this support. Clove is not doing good, man. Clove is not doing good. But hopefully somehow we'll get the respect, man. You see the trend line got broken, trend line support. Let's see, hopefully we'll get some respect. Maybe some horizontal support. Maybe from here. We have support, so don't worry. We have support. All these setups were sent in the group. Dark FX Supreme Signals. As you know, every week we kill the market. Let me see. And by the way, all these setup signals are free. Okay, so you may check out just to see what we do there. You know what I mean. So yeah, USD. Okay, what about Tesla, guys? We are at Tesla position. You see, we are running profit, guys. We are running profit. 20 pips or 200 pips, whatever you wanna say. It is what it is. We are running in profit, and this is D1 time frame. So that's like 200 pips profit running. This setup was also sent. And keep in mind, Dark FX don't lies. So you may check the search bar in the Dark FX Supreme Signal and search for this setup like Tesla. You will see the Tesla buy I gave. Okay, German 30, we have a position, as you know. We are holding it for TP1. US 30 got take profit to smashed, and we holding for TP2 in swing. There are two trades running in US 30. One got closed. I mean, two trades were running. So intraday TP2 around here hit it. Running it is running right now. About to hit the TP2 in swing. Keep in mind how I took the buy. from here. So I saw there was some kind of support, but that was not a strong support around here. But what made me you know made me the decision to take the trade was around here we got a nice pennant breakout. I saw, oh, it broke this trend line resistance, and also it broke the pennant to the upside. That's something crazy can happen here. But a long sell price often forms, breaks the trend line like this, trend line resistance like this, and then it forms kind of any kind of pattern and breaks out to a specific direction, most times opposite direction, uh, you know so that it can break out the continuation situation, right? So it broke and I took the buy exactly from here, and I ate whole movement. I closed somewhere around here, I guess, my main position in my main account, because I was taking some scalp bigger lot. So I closed somewhere around here, then it just flied all the way up. TP2 he smashed, dropped, then right now it's going up again. So we killed US 30 last week. Hope you can remember. Now talking about US oil, I would say do not buy right now. We may buy if price reaches around here, because we still have resistance here. So some horizontal resistance can push price down. I'm not gonna buy right now. US oil. And at the same time, guys, remember this area is a high resistance zone. 2019, I guess, 2019 resistance is 76.559. I marked it up previously, as you know. So you can previously see, saw the big sell from here. I took the buy from here, ate this whole movement, then I closed if profit was smashed, and then it dropped. So that's why it's better to avoid buying US oil at this kind of big resistance. Hope you guys understand. This is all the trade. Oh, by the way, we have BTC USD. So BTC USD buy stop around here placed 49.2k. If price breaks the horizontal resistance, and we may get the buy stop trigger, and our take profit gonna be the next key resistance, which gonna be 52.3k. Hope you guys understand. This is Dark FX. Meet you in market opening. Peace out, guys. Let me close it.